Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly fascinating: how meditation actually changes your brain. Science now shows that it physically transforms your brain in ways that boost your focus, emotional health, creativity, and even your resilience to stress. First off, your brain is an incredibly complex electrochemical organ. It's constantly buzzing with electrical activity, whether you're wide awake, deep in thought, or even asleep. Scientists measure this activity in the form of brainwaves, patterns of electrical oscillations that reflect different mental states. There are 5 main types of brainwaves: gamma, beta, alpha, theta, and delta. Each one corresponds to a different kind of brain activity. The first one is that gamma waves are linked to intense focus and learning. Secondly, we have beta waves dominate when you're actively thinking or solving problems. In third, we have alpha waves show up when you're relaxed but alert, like during meditation or a peaceful walk. In fourth, we have theta waves appear in deep relaxation and dreaming. And in last, delta waves happen during deep, dreamless sleep. But it's not just about brain waves. Meditation literally reshapes your brain. Studies using brain scans reveal that meditation thickens areas responsible for memory, empathy, and compassion. At the same time, it shrinks the amygdala, the part of your brain that triggers stress and fear responses. What does that mean for you? Less anxiety, more emotional balance, and a stronger ability to handle stress. Plus, meditation boosts levels of dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter, while lowering stress hormones like cortisol. So, it's not just your mind that feels better, your whole body benefits too. Here's something you might not expect: meditation can actually change how your brain processes pain. Researchers in Germany found that people who meditate regularly experience pain differently. Their brains reduce the emotional reaction to discomfort, so even when they're not meditating, they feel less stressed by pain. This shows that meditation builds lasting resilience, not just temporary relief. You don't need to meditate for hours to see benefits. Research shows that just 30 minutes a day for 8 weeks can create noticeable changes in your brain. Even starting with 5 to 10 minutes daily can set you on the right path. The key is consistency. Think of meditation like exercise for your brain. The more regularly you practice, the stronger and healthier your mind becomes. Meditation is more than just a relaxation technique, it's a powerful brain training tool that can improve your focus, emotional health, creativity, and resilience. So why not give it a try? Sit down, breathe, and see what happens. Your brain and your life might just thank you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more content on brain health and wellness.